Yeah, it's another Johnathan bang. Forget about a mug bang. And I'm in Memphis outside of Uncle Lou's fried chicken. Came by to check it out. Still hot. I'm gonna eat a piece on camera for y'all. Oh my God. What we got? There we go. Huh? Supposed to be some of the best fried chicken in Memphis. Let's get in for a big boy bite on that. Ready? Good skin. Good flavor, Uncle Lou. Tastes just like my mama made it, cuz. Oh yeah. Fried pickles. Let's close up on that. That taste like pickle. Fried pickle. It tastes okay. I never had no fried pickle before. Good flavor with the chicken, though.
Okay, here go the hot chicken.
Kind of like if you had, kind of like if you had, what you call it? A pepper that's not hot. Oh my God. Now this is the spicy chicken been dipped in the special spicy sauce. What they famous for. Check out that chicken. Okay. A good flavor. Tastes like barbecue sauce. Spicy barbecue sauce. Yeah. That's what it tastes like. Got kind of a sweet flavor to it. Pretty good, Uncle Lou. And I got some coleslaw. Didn't give me no fork, Uncle Lou. Do it like from the country, though. Get that chicken dipped in there. Chicken dip. So I can taste the damn coleslaw. I said coleslaw. A potato salad, though. Oh, shit. That was pretty good, Uncle Lou. There was another Johnathan bang. Forget about a mug bang. Oh, bread. One, two. And some good bread. For the price, Uncle Lou, I don't know. But if you're ready to pay for some good soul food, good cooked chicken, I guess it's okay for the price. I get them a out of 10, I give y'all a 7, Uncle Lou. Let me get one more taste so I can see if y'all better than Gus and fried chicken. I'm gonna have to rate Gus, I give y'all a 8. I give these people here 7.5. That was another Johnathan bang. Forget about a mug bang. Peace.